Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how to make YouTube shorts with Canva. So let's get started, let's get into it. So first you all need to do is to go on Canva, and you will see the landing page like this. This is the official landing page. So let me just simply click here and type YouTube shorts. Alrighty, so over here you will see a lot of different options here. YouTube shorts with a pixel of 180 into 920. That's the best pixel, the best resolution I have ever seen for the YouTube short templates. So browse high quality YouTube short for your next design. You will see a lot of different templates in here, and let me see here. So what you want to do is to just click on these templates and customize that whatever you want, like food, like around the show, entertainment, automatic, the different organic natures, traveling vlogs, all these things. Let me go with let me see here the cooking. Well, let me click on that one and we'll see the different template you can customize by your own. Customize this template, click on that, you will get on the new tab, and here we go. It's gonna take a while for you. Let me see here. Now you will see the cooking recipe. It's gonna basically a 5.7 short video. When you just open that one, it's gonna be look like this. Cooking recipe, basically a 5-minute templates, and you can add by clicking on that plus button. So if you want to go with that, if you create a short video with that, like a YouTube short, so now you can add, click on simply plus button, and you can add any of that, like in let me show you. So you can apply all these pages with that. If you apply this pages automatically just with that one is automatically just with that one. If you add the new template, just simply click on plus button and add a new template. On the right side you will see a lot of options to create on elements. Click on new gesture, graphics, stickers, and the new grids. You can add on that button, and you can just simply create a best and beautiful shot for your YouTube channel. This is how you can create a YouTube with Canva. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks so much, and bye bye.